Welcome back, Grow Family. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of a brand new 900 watt light that I just purchased. It's actually from a company known as Greengo. I've been hearing real good stuff about their more expensive products, so I wanted to try more in-budget friendly for people who aren't trying to spend over $600 for a light. Now, I always suggest using a trusted delivery source because you don't want your light to be broken when it gets here. So it's about this big again. Open. Ooh. Tape on the good. Just gotta look at this. As you can see, great shape, great size. I love that the glass is protected. Veg and a bloom switch. The actual stats for this. And I bought this specifically because it was a triple 15 watt LEDs. It also should come with all of these things. Hanging, power cord, instructions. Okay, let's give this a turn on and see what it looks like. Wow, that's bright. This was a great purchase. Next time you're on Amazon and this is on sale, as I said, this was originally $130, but I got it on sale. Pick this up. It is well worth it. Thank you guys so much, and stay updated for more info on SB Live Soil, and stay tuned for updates. Enjoy the rest of your